What's up, YouTube? This is your buddy Josh of Basic Value, and for today, I'm going to be teaching you how to get and use the pen block in Scratch. So, obviously, I'm in the dashboard of Scratch, and here I have prepared a simple code to use for a stamp function, like the pen will automatically do its stuff. So where do we get the pen block? So you want to look at the bottom left corner of your screen right here. You want to click on this one, and then as you can see, we have the pen block in here. So we are going to be using the stamp function for the sake of this tutorial, and then we're going to be connecting this one. And then when we press the green flag and then I press the up arrow, it just goes crazy. So that's how you use and get the pen block. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe because I'm making a lot of more videos for you like this that will absolutely help your Scratch project. This is your buddy Josh, and I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.